Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to get this smoky liner look, and you can do it with any colors according to your outfit. I've chosen to do it with green. So first I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Promade in the shade Ebony along with a Morphe E29 brush, and I'm just gonna do small strokes on my brows to give it a natural look. Next, I'm gonna take Kryolan Supra color with a Morphe M432 brush and just clean out any excess brow product there is, and also use it as an eye primer, and then just set it with a beauty blender. Now I'm just gonna put a sticky tape so the shadow stays above that line. Today I'll be using a Morphe35B palette, and first I'll be taking this steel green color with a Morphe M506 brush and just blend it above the eyelids. Don't worry about the brush going outside because that tape is gonna take care of it. Just adding some more color and keep blending it. Now take any black gel liner that can be smudged. I'm taking Maybelline and apply it very close to the lash line. Now by using a Morphe M213 brush, I'm taking the black color and just applying it over that gel liner to give it a smudge look. Make sure to do it quickly so that the gel liner doesn't dry. And now just keep blending it or add some more black to give it that intense smoky look. I'm just gonna take some more and put it on there. Now with the Morphe E36 brush, I'm taking a dark green color and just blending it right between the teal green and the black shadow so that there are no harsh lines. You want to use a color that is a little darker than the very first color you used so that it adds a little bit more definition to that color. Now I'm just gonna take the first brush without adding any extra colors and just blend it some more. Now remove the sticky tape and clean out any of the lines it left with a concealer. Blend it properly with a beauty blender or a brush. Then set it with a translucent powder. I'm using a Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. Now here I'm using a Lakme eyekonic kajal on my waterline. And now by taking that same Maybelline gel liner, I'm just extending my liner on the inner corner of my eyes to give an illusion of longer eyes. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of black shadow under my waterline to give that intense shade of black kajal. After that, I am just gonna take the very first teal green color and blend the black shadow some more. Now I'm taking this light shimmery parrot green color to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with a small blending brush by Color Bar. Now I'm gonna apply this roller lash mascara by Benefit and then put on some false eyelashes with PAC clear eyelash glue and just finish off the look with a highlighter. Here I used Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, and here it is, a green smoky eyeliner look. Try it on with different colors and comment how it turned out. Thank you.